Want to make sure Microsoft Defender has the latest protection against new threats. Updating Defender is quick and built into Windows security. In this guide, I'll show you how to check for the latest security intelligence and confirm the update is installed. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the security dashboard. Next, select Virus and Threat Protection. This section contains your Microsoft Defender Antivirus status, scan options, and protection updates. Scroll down until you find Virus and Threat Protection Updates, or Protection Updates, depending on your Windows version. This area shows when the security intelligence was last updated. Now select Check for Updates. Windows Security will look for newer Microsoft Defender security intelligence. If an update is available, Windows will download and install it automatically. So give it a moment to finish. You can also check through Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Defender updates are delivered through Windows, so keeping the operating system updated helps maintain current security protection. After the update finishes, return to Windows Security and open Virus and Threat Protection. Check the Protection Updates section again. You should now see a recent update time and the current security intelligence information. While you're there, make sure Microsoft Defender's protection features are still active. You can select Manage Settings and check options like Real-Time Protection and Cloud-Delivered Protection. Keep important protections enabled unless you have a specific reason to change them. If Defender won't update, first make sure your internet connection is working and Windows Update isn't paused. You can also restart the computer and try the update again. If the problem continues, check Windows Update for error messages or pending system updates, and that's how to update Windows Defender. Use the Check for Updates option in Windows Security, keep Windows Update current, and occasionally confirm your security intelligence is up to date. Staying updated is one of the simplest ways to improve your PC's protection.